Hello, dear parents. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and happy and enjoying your child's preschool at home with Viola. So, today I'm going to show you and tell you how we are going to introduce the alphabets to our children. So, gone are the days when we used to do like A for apple, B for ball. So many researches have come up, and this methodology has really evolved. So, basically, there are four aspects of any English letter: the uppercase, the lowercase, the letter name, and the letter sound. So we have to introduce each and everything to the child, but gradually, step by step, and methodically. So that is the best way to bring the best results out. So I would suggest that the way we are going, please stand by it and do not hurry, do not rush to introduce more and more things. In the beginning, it is more important that the child gets the idea of the formation of any letter and the concept of the letter. That is the most important thing. So, initially, we are going to spend more time on two letters this month, letter L and letter T. Why? Because we are going to do according to the patterns the children have learned so far. So, children have learned how to make a standing line and a sleeping line. So, according to that, we are going to introduce these two letters in the beginning. Once they get an idea of the alphabets of the letters, then we are going to go little faster, and with other patterns they are going to learn more and more alphabets in the coming next few months. So with the letter we will also introduce the letter name and lightly tell them the letter sound also. If they catch the sound, it is fine. If they don't catch the sound, please don't force them or pressurize them to produce that sound. It may be a little difficult for them right now, but we will just keep on telling them as the letter comes. But later on, when we teach them the lower case, then we will introduce the phonic sounds methodically and properly. So right now we are just going to give them an idea that every letter has a sound also. So today I'm going to show you how we have to introduce letter L to the children. So you will have to make a worksheet of letter L or print out the Viola worksheet and take any color. I am taking blue color. What you have to tell the children first is, this is letter L. This is letter L. Its sound is L. L. So how do we make that sound? You see, when we say L, if we remove just the air part of it, it becomes L. So this is how we produce the phonic sound L. So this is a little difficult sound, but we just want right now to give an idea to the child that each and every letter has some sound also. So this is exactly how you have to say, this is letter L and its sound is L. So how we are going to show them how to write. So dear parents, this is how we can introduce how to trace the letter L. The verbal clue will be up to down standing line, join to make sleeping line. Again, dip the index finger in the color and say up to down standing line, join to make sleeping line. Again, up to down standing line, join to make sleeping line. So it always has to be done with the index finger only for the first time when we are teaching the child to trace on some letter, because using the index finger forms a clear and definite picture on the child's mind. So it always has to go like this, and along with some verbal clue. At least in the beginning, we are going to introduce all letters like that. Later on, once the concept of letter is formed in the child's mind, then it becomes easier for them to grasp. So, up to down standing line, join to make sleeping line. This is letter L and its sound is L. This is letter L, its sound is L. So this is how we are going to introduce the letter L to the children. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.